In today's dynamic digital landscape, staying ahead in the marketing game requires innovative strategies. One such powerhouse tool is Reels marketing, a dynamic approach to engaging audiences through short, captivating videos on various social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Let's delve into the incredible benefits this marketing tactic brings to the table. For example, Reels allow brands to convey their message in a concise yet impactful manner. With attention spans growing shorter, the bite-sized content format is perfectly tailored to capture viewers' attention swiftly and keep them engaged. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram prioritize Reels in their algorithms, giving them prime real estate in users' feeds. This increases the likelihood of content being discovered by a broader audience, potentially extending brand reach to new horizons. Reels enable brands to showcase their personality and creativity in a more informal and interactive way. This personal touch fosters a stronger connection with the audience, humanizing the brand and making it more relatable. Interactive features such as polls, questions, and calls to action within Reels invite viewers to actively participate. This engagement not only enhances the viewer's experience but also provides valuable insights for brands to tailor their content strategy. Staying relevant in the fast-paced world of social media is crucial. Reels allow brands to hop onto trending challenges or themes, increasing the likelihood of their content going viral and gaining widespread recognition. Reels marketing isn't confined to a single platform. By repurposing content across various channels, brands can maintain a cohesive presence while reaching diverse audiences, thereby maximizing their marketing efforts. The visual nature of Reels makes them an ideal medium for presenting products or services. Brands can highlight features, demonstrate usage, and share customer testimonials, giving potential customers a compelling reason to engage. Social media platforms offer detailed insights into Reels' performance, including metrics like views, engagement, and audience demographics. This data empowers brands to refine their content strategy for optimal results. Creating Reels often requires minimal resources compared to producing high-production videos. This makes Reels an affordable yet powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to connect with their target audience. Adopting Reels marketing demonstrates a brand's adaptability and willingness to embrace emerging trends. This forward-thinking approach positions the brand as innovative and in tune with the preferences of the modern consumer. In conclusion, Reels marketing offers a multitude of advantages that can significantly impact a brand's online presence. By leveraging the strengths of this engaging format, businesses can forge deeper connections with their audience, enhance brand visibility, and ultimately drive business success in today's competitive digital landscape. Embracing Reels marketing is not just an option, it's a strategic imperative for brands aspiring to thrive in the ever-evolving world of social media marketing.
Give me your love on time.